Day 8, Chesed B'Gevura, kindness and discipline. We are in the second week of counting the Omer. The second week's Sphira foundation is Gevura, strength, discipline. Gevura is the counterbalance to Chesed, to kindness. When kindness overflows too much, it brings damage to all affected. Only Gevura can temper Chesed and bring balance. Gevura gives direction and takes Chesed's expansive energies and concentrates it into a powerful focus so that things are heading in the proper direction in proper balance. Kindness, like love, needs to be channeled. It takes strength to gauge when and how much to love to give, as too much love spoils and not enough love degrades the human spirit. When mothers raise their children, they have to find the proper balance between discipline, setting the boundaries, all done in the name of loving kindness. So the exercise for Chesed B'Gevura is criticizing can be easy. When you're ready to give rebuke, first pause and consider what you're about to say. Will your words reinforce love, or will it drain a person's spirit? Please like, comment, and subscribe.